All right. So today I'm going to be talking about my new OES frame sliders. Oh man, oh, okay, some junk there. Got these finally installed. Need some frame sliders on your bike. That's pretty much a given. Was planning on getting them for a while. Finally got around to getting them. Got these off of Amazon. It was a nice little package. It comes with the OES frame sliders, and then it comes with some spool stands. I'm not really sure what those are called. I don't know if these are actually protective, but having them come with the actual frame sliders was pretty cool. Saved me a little money because I plan on getting them eventually. I also installed a nice little tank protector and some side protectors. Well, they don't really do a whole lot, but they look good. But the main thing we're talking about today is the OES frame sliders. I like them quite a lot. They look good, blend in with the bike. I also like how low profile they are. They're not they don't stand out. They're not super in the way, not blocking you, not ugly either. They blend in quite nice with the bike. To be honest, I almost don't even notice them after a little bit. Seen a lot of other frame sliders that kind of just stand out like a sore thumb. These OES ones look really good on this gray and black paint scheme for the bike. I highly recommend getting them. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to get them for yourself and your own MT10. They blend in really well on this bike. The only downside is they don't necessarily protect everything. If the bike were to tip over, my turn signals, which I don't know what the hell they were thinking when they put these on, but yeah, if the bike tips over, these might get screwed over. But I mean, it's just the turn signals for the most part. Maybe the handlebars will keep it safe. They're a little bit longer than the turn signals. Look good though. They look good. Cannot complain. And much like the radiator guard and the oil cooler guard, frame sliders are kind of just a given. You should definitely have them on your bike if you plan on doing some aggressive riding or just in general. I mean, you could tip your bike over and you need them. One of those things you kind of just need to have. You don't want to end up without them in a nasty situation, or just someone tips your bike over.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well,